I want to give you a very important note over here. So never take it out this thing completely, because that will be always over there. So only you have to remove that lock from previous hose and where it is. I just wanted to make like this clip seat has to be come out, and that will be, and once you remove this seat from here, and so you just lose it and push it in and tight it in case you take it out or something you happen. So there's only one way it will be going, and just giving you that the example how it gonna work. So there's a, I don't know, that computer cell phone. So if you see that there's a bevel and straight on the other side, so the hose should be coming from here. Actually it's coming from this side, and if you see on this locking nut, so they have a kind of concave slide little bit, so that will be going like this backwards, so it will be like this. Just take it out to make a video for that, and that will be going like this, and that seat will be locked. Once nut tight, that will be hose coming over here, and that's it, that's done. So these are the new seals, and always change it. I recommend to change it every time. So I just took it out to make a video for that. So somebody, if it's loose or mistakenly take it off, don't worry, it's not a big deal. It's just a seat. It has supposed to be like this, and it should be going like internally like this, and screw it tight a little bit by hand, and then push a hose in it. So or once it's came out, just put a hose in it a little bit like this, so it will be remain on this, and once you tight it, it will seat it to the hose. That's just a bonus for you guys if you mess up or anything. Secondly, what I didn't even take it out that, I remember now, so I didn't even take it off that. So this is air compressed airbags, right? So they don't have to worry about it. So you, if you put it like this and push it down, it will be making it air out and make it small. So you can just slide it in and then push it. But remember one thing over here. So let me put a light over here. So if you see, able to see it, so let me take it like this is notch over here. So notch on this is that seat. Once, that's why I was telling you, tight it over here first and then move it, and it goes to the, if it's left side, then it's going facing the tube or air tube towards right, and if it's right, then it's towards left. So that's how the notch comes. If I can show you that old strut, so they have a notch like this. So this notch goes to the particular place what I show you. So rest of the easy thing, once it's fixed, then tell your computer put air in it, and once it's having air, then put it down, otherwise it will make a load for a compressor. So that is recommended to first fill it over here, check the leakage, and then put it down. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is Shah from Auto Service Provider. Hopefully it will help you out how to change the airbags, and that will be save your time. Thank you. Please share, subscribe my channel. This is Shah from Auto Service Provider.